Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to address lower belly fat. Lower belly fat, sometimes called visceral fat, is essentially stored energy. It often feels like a persistent challenge for many people to reduce. We will explore why it accumulates and how your body actually processes these fat stores. This understanding is key to developing a sustainable strategy for reduction. Your body doesn't pick and choose where to lose fat from first. It mobilizes fat globally. The idea that doing hundreds of sit-ups will only reduce your lower belly fat is a misconception. Instead, your body accesses its overall energy reserves when you consume fewer calories than you burn. This process helps decrease fat from all storage sites, including your lower abdomen, over time and with consistency. Nutrition plays a critical role in encouraging your body to access fat stores. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods, aiming for a consistent caloric deficit each day. Include plenty of lean protein sources, which help you feel full and preserve muscle. Fiber-rich vegetables and fruits also contribute to satiety and overall digestive wellness, supporting your body's natural processes effectively. Exercise is another cornerstone for reducing body fat, including in the lower abdominal region. A balanced routine includes both aerobic activities, like brisk walking or cycling, and strength training. Building muscle helps your body burn more calories even at rest. While core exercises won't spot reduce fat, they strengthen the underlying muscles, contributing to a firmer appearance and better posture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.